Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A53 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle. So it looks like it is right here for me, and once you find it, all you need to do is hold this toggle and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it works. So let's start off by touching on the schedule option. So we have the schedule where once you tap on it, it will bring up only one. I believe for the most part there's usually one preset, which is the sleep one option, but you can tap on add and name it whatever you want, and from there you have start and end time along with repeat. So here you can select each day of the week that you want it to turn on. So basically select days of the week, start time, end time, click on done, and it will automatically become enabled. And once the time approaches, which looks like it's set to 10 p.m. so once 10 p.m. reaches, it will turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and then at 7 a.m. it will turn it off. So that is the schedule. Now if we leave it, we have also silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So if you want it, turn it on. If you don't, keep it off. It's completely up to you. And then below we have exceptions. So we have allow notifications. Once you tap on it, we'll expand it a little bit further. So we have notifications, things like status bar, banner, screen tap, and lock screen notifications. If you don't want any of those, simply disable them. If you want them, turn them on. And then we also have allow messages from and calls. They both have the same option, so I'm gonna touch upon basically them as a single option. So from here, I can select that you want to allow calls or messages from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. I'm gonna select for calls no one, because there's also another option right at the bottom called ring for repeated callers, which if enabled completely bypasses the allow calls from option. So it shouldn't allow calls from anybody, but with this enabled, if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will be able to reach you as though nothing is turned on. And in normal circumstances this might seem a little bit counterproductive, but if you consider this option as a good alternative to like emergency situation where people usually call you till you pick up one after another, this will allow them to reach you. And from there, that's basically all the settings we have, so we can leave it and simply enable it by tapping on the toggle like so. If it would want to enable, I mean, it kind of looks like it's enabled. So I can see the moon icon, so it is, I don't know, something bugged. So it is enabled, and you can tap on it again to turn it off. And yeah, that is basically how you would enable and disable it after you set it up. And also, like I said before, you can set up a schedule, and from there you don't really have to do anything extra. It will just turn on and off automatically. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.